If you are joining Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, your mind and your body is your real weapon. In this video, I am going to tell you how you build your personality to get success in your defense exams. Hello everyone, welcome back to 21 Day English Speaking Challenge. Today is the day 9 and I take a topic how to build a physical and mentally strong personality for the defense exams. So, I will divide my topic into three parts. First is physical strength, second is mental strength, and third is personality development. So, let's talk about physical strength. The first is build military fitness routine. Get up early, run as much as you can, and do exercise including push up, pull up, sit up as much as you can. Now, the second is eat like a soldier. You remove junk food and sugar from your diet and intake a high protein diet. And also, hydration is non-negotiable. You have to drink at least 3 to 4 liter in a one day. Now, the third is sleep hours. You have to sleep 7 to 8 hours of a deep sleep because as much as you can train hard yourself, the sleep is more required for your growth. Now the second is mental strength. So the first is in this mental strength, the first part is develop an unshakable discipline. Make a timetable and stick to it even you don't like it. The habits like punctuality, completing the task on the time, and regularly organizing your schedule is a best way to make you a responsible person, which is very required for the officer like candidate. Now the second is decision making under pressure. In the SSB, you have to given a SRT test, situation reaction test, in which 60 question will be asked about the situation, in which you have to give answer, per answer take a 15 seconds. This makes your time to think, analyze, and write on the answer sheet. And this require a quick decision making process. So you have to focus at your daily purpose and take a decision quickly after analyzing it. It helps you in your interview. Now the third is your self awareness is your secret weapon. You always have to self analyze yourself. You have to check whether where you do wrong thing, whether which thing is right for you, and this will help you improve. And at the night you have to written or note what you did wrong, what you did right, and what you will have to fix tomorrow. And now the number 4 is build emotional resilience. In the defense examination, it might have chances that you may lose, you may fail, you get rejected from your interview, but it doesn't mean you have to give up. You have to fight, you have to make a comeback, and that was make the emotionally stable person. You have to take a control on your emotion. Now the third is your personality development. So in that part, the first is communication and confidence. You have to build a strong communication skill by speaking loud in the public, by speaking with someone else who also talking to in English, by listening English broadcast, music, and every other thing. You can improve your English, and as much as you can improve your English, the more confident you become. Now the second is the positive thinking. In the defense area, you have to make a positive thinking mindset, because in the SSB interview, the assessor always check whether the person has a positive thinking or negative thinking, and if they realize that you have a negative thinking, they immediately disqualified you. So positive thinking is a very requirement for your journey, for your getting success in the defense examination like NDS CDS. So if this video is helpful for you, like and subscribe and join our 21 day English speaking challenge. And believe me, after doing this all thing, I don't surely make you 100% that you clear your exam, but yes, you are going to become an official like candidate. Thank you everyone, and see you on the day 10.